Okay, so we are going to eat some DQ, and then we're going to go to, I forget. We're gonna go to Conkles Hollow, which is supposed to be at least 80% a handicapped, wheelchair accessible area for our cat and the cat stroller.
Like you're driving, you're listening to it, and then you just hear your vehicle.
So we got here, and there's some signs that say no pets, but we saw people that brought their dogs in. We also saw review images on Google, and there's literally horses. So we're just gonna see how it goes. Obviously, we're gonna clean up after our animals and stuff like that, and we're not gonna let them off the trail like at all. So we're just gonna see how that goes.
Fucking awesome.
Oh, this is cool.
Whoa, there's a fish down here. Look.
Bean, get it. Don't jump out of my arms right now, though. Where the fuck are you seeing a fish? Bean, stop.
Yeah, I just saw it.
Quit.
Let's feed the fishes.
Bean, there is a river below you. Stop.
Here, sit her down.
Hey, Damien.
Yeager, you're making this harder than it has to be. Unless you want to walk, then that's fine.
Let's go walk Yeager, I guess.
Stop.
Whoop this because I tied him.
No,
I
stop.
tied him. It's Yeager.
How? Beans in the one leaf.
Donation.
Leash on most of the time. Yeah.
Like an idiot.
Hey.
If I'm gonna like pay off like bills like that, I can build my credit by paying off those said bills.
Yeah. Why is Yeager so much better at this than like any of our other cats?
Right now.
Yeah. He knows what the fuck it is. This is literally the first time we've tried to walk him too.
Yeah.
Damien, how much chicks do you think I'd get if I ran straight through this into you?
Not enough. She is an outside cat now.
Have you seen Bagel lately?
I don't know if it's been within the last 2 days.
Well, I keep asking because I like to walk her.
Real.
Habitat restoration area, but I want to take Yeg Slice up there.
You know.
What?
Habitat restoration area,
Oh.
do not enter. Even though there's a very clear fucking trail up there because people take it.
If you want, sometimes there's this RV park near Lancaster, but if you go up this hill, there's this old antenna that me and Austin climbed on, and then inside there's this huge ass fucking ravine.
That sounds cool, shit.
And then you can just go under there.
Come on, Whisper, you see Yeager? Oh, you want to stretch out for some belly rubs?
Oh yeah, he's gotta stretch out a bit. I reckon.
Belly rub.
Come on. There we go. Come on. Oh.
Let's keep going.
Come on.
Concrete time.
He wants to stretch and get itchy.
Oh, come on.
Whoa, that looks so cool. Let's see now. Hold on.
Go walk. Go walk. What you doing? What
You
bird?
could carry him.
Oh, sneezy kitty, huh? Come on, let's walk. No.
You might have to carry him.
Might carry him for a little bit.
I'm going to start teaching Yeager.
Yeah, I don't. That's fine.
I'm going to teach him to sit and roll over.
He's purring. He likes the concrete.
He sit.
He likes that concrete.
This guy's getting itchy. I got you. Oh, yeah, I got his itchy.
Oh, what's up? You got free? 3.
Ready to go, Jaeger?
Hey, he was purring like hell though. He fucking loved that concrete. I'll tell you that.
Jaegers. He wants that food. He's distracted now.
Jaeger, come
You're
on.
just running him down. Jaeger, come here.
She heard I was at Hocking Hills.
Big ass worm.
She'd be mad at you for being at Hocking Hills. Huh?
Jealous.
Oh. I was gonna say, there's no fucking way she can be mad at you for being out in the water.
No, you guys are just dragging me down. I don't like.
Down tree.
I would love to take you out, but you're autistic. Can we let Bean try again?
Not right now.
Not right now.
You see how good he's being?
What's going on?
Lucifer just wants the excuse to roll around again.
He's clawing on my shoes.
Lucifer, you're not going off the path. I'm still not entirely sure you're supposed to be out here.
They're doing okay.
Oh,
What's this
he's
one?
gonna untie your shoes.
What is it?
I said he's gonna untie your shoes.
They love untying my shoes.
Yeah.
Lucifer, what are you doing?
Look at Bean. I'm jealous. They look young.
Oh, they're about
Under a year.
Yeah, under a year.
They're all very different on their ideas of walking.
Yeah.
One likes to get dragged, one likes to be pushed in the stroller, and the other one likes to actually walk.
Oh, there's 3.
Here comes your dad. We can tell him, we can show him all the gear we need, Lila.
It's Ivy to do this.
Jaeger wants food.
Jaeger, stop.
Well, I think...
it's so sad.
Jaegers, come here. Can we put him in there and just feed him for a couple minutes? Okay. Jaegers.
Oh, Jaeger. Oh my gosh.
This guy wants some wet food.
Here.
What are their names?
That
This
one's
is
Bean.
That's Lucifer, and then this is Jaeger. Bean. Just Bean.
Stroller, roller, walker. That's their names.
Roller walker. I love that.
He's excited to go back to see Lucifer. Lucifer's getting there. What are you doing, Jaeger? Is he so itchy under that vest? I know. No, come here. I can itch you. I can give you itches.
They're waiting now.
Cats one day and just like go run around and
I actually, you can't do that because it's habitat restoration.
I'll get your itch. Yeah, I got the itch. Oh, I got that itch.
Oh, hello, Lucifer. Or make sure that he didn't jump down.
Please get out of there.
Boo.
Oh, Lucifer. Lucifer.
Getting ready to explore. He's excited.
Hey,
Oh, yeah,
you're
he
okay.
loves that being out here.
You were just fine with the people earlier.
And then being over here absolutely terrified. Cowering in the corner.
Have you seen that?
What you doing? Oh yeah.
Come on.
It's getting better and better.
A little bit.
This for us, come.
There's a massive fire here.
I don't know if she actually believes you or if it's just like a double check. Lucifer's getting it.
Before me and Krista started dating, I paused it for a minute.
What?
The reason she started dating me is because she felt challenged for what I was saying.
What?
Remember when I tried another day time like you? You felt challenged by that and you did it.
Keep adding minutes onto this walk just so I can tell the story.
It was a 15-minute walk. For me at least.
But
It was a
anyway,
15-minute walk. No, it was a 30-minute walk. No, it was a fucking hour.
when we got to Zach's neighborhood, I started like kind of asking him questions about like his type and whatnot. Like I knew he already liked me. Like I wanted to like poke at it, you know. So, but I mean, late at night, he would just randomly text. Okay, the reason why we first started talking was I posted on my Instagram notes saying 10 days to my birthday, and he just saying happy birthday, and a year early.
No, because I cut off over here.
Oh, shit. No. Nope. No. Goodness. Lucifer. Oh, nope.
Looking for a spot to climb.
Yes.
Oh, right over here. Going in there for some food now?
I'm just gonna hope that this is recording correctly.
Is it recording?
Yeah, I have something recording. I have this recording right now. Go down and then.
Oh, you know what? It is like a little photo spot. You just have to thing out.
Hidey holes. Look at these.
Where are we at?
My phone.
Oh, that's cool.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
It's just a cricket spider. He won't hurt you now. They're just big. Krista's scared of a cricket spider.
You guys get your couple pictures and then we meet ours.
What do you got in your eye, Lucifer?
He's gone.
No, he's not balding. Just in his eye, literally.
Jaeger's taking a minute to be a fat ass.
If you guys want to take pictures, like holding the cats, I can take a picture and then you guys can go down and do us. If you want. My fat folds are flapping.
places I want to smoke some wood.
Go up there in that
This
cave.
guy gets it.
No, go up there in that cave.
Okay,
That one right there, like the crack in the wall. That'd be fucking insane.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
No, I can't. Man, my mom's good.
We'll just come without them sometime. As long as we don't like damage anything, I don't really see that.
No. Ready? Whoop. Hey, babe. Babe, come here.
Like, I have to go up there to continue the storyline.
You do understand that this area is part of Appalachia, right? Yeah, this area is like the end of Appalachia.
Can I go up there to get my quest checkpoint?
No.
Well, or the end.
Holy fuck, that's so tall.
Well, yeah, that's the beginning of the Appalachian Mountains.
Yeah, no, to get up in that little cave and just look around would be so cool.
Dude.
Like, look, there's even a trail cut out for it, like, the end.
Just goes to that, like,
That's the end of this tutorial, right up
Water snake!
Jaeger, do you want to go up there, man? Oh, I know you.
He's not saying Jaeger.
Flowers.
Oh.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, I'll go pick it for you.
No.
Fuck up there.
Wait, where? Oh, the fucking pink flowers in the bushel?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Let's go pick that.
Holy.
Let's go pick that shit like cotton.
I'm stuck. Okay, not stuck anymore.
It's impossible not to.
You got this.
Oh, dang, I'm serious.
I know. We gotta plan a guy's day if we can do it.
Where's the ball? Where's the
If you need to zip it, zip it.
We take that trail all the time, too.
Oh, it's beating down. It's beating down fast.
Can we at least go on a little adventure up there?
Fine.
I need to find something to get
Oh, careful. Lucifer.
It's really cool though.
It really is.
I want to take a picture like with